The Shark HV302 Rocket Pet Corded Stick Vacuum is designed to provide powerful, corded cleaning for both carpets and hard floors. Its lightweight design, weighing just under 9 pounds, offers exceptional versatility, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use and highly maneuverable vacuum. With its swivel steering, you can glide through tight spaces and around furniture, ensuring you get every corner, no matter how hard to reach. The added benefit of converting into a handheld vacuum with just the press of a button gives you flexibility to clean above the floor, in your car, or even tackle pet hair on upholstery. One of the standout features of the Shark Rocket Pet is its ability to effectively pick up pet hair. Thanks to the included pet multi-tool, you'll find that cleaning up after your furry friends is less of a chore, with specialized attachments designed to remove hair from every surface, including carpets and furniture. Additionally, the multi-surface capability makes it easy to switch between hard floors and carpets, ensuring optimal performance on both. Emptying the dust cup is incredibly easy, meaning you spend less time dealing with maintenance and more time cleaning. The Crevice tool is a great addition for reaching into tight spaces, such as between couch cushions or along baseboards. For those who want even more versatility, the included precision duster can help clean delicate surfaces without causing damage, making this vacuum an all-around option for a variety of cleaning tasks. During testing, I found the Shark HV302 to be highly effective at picking up fine dust on hard floors, while its suction strength handled embedded dirt and pet hair on carpets well. The low-profile design makes it perfect for getting under furniture, and while it's powerful enough for everyday messes, it remains light enough for easy portability when switching between floor types or using it as a handheld. When it comes to noise, this vacuum operates fairly quietly compared to others in its category, though it does become slightly louder when used in higher suction modes. This might be something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise, but it's hardly disruptive for most households. The vacuum's build quality feels solid, though some plastic components feel a bit less premium. The attachments fit well and are easy to snap on and off. The ability to hang the handheld unit from the wand hook is a convenient feature for storage, especially in smaller spaces where you want to keep everything neatly tucked away. In terms of drawbacks, the cord length could be an issue for larger rooms or homes with a lot of open space, as it's not as long as some might prefer. Additionally, while the vacuum does a great job on carpets and floors, it's not designed to handle larger messes or deep cleaning tasks like some high-end models might. The lack of advanced filtration means it's not the best option for allergy sufferers, as it doesn't capture smaller particles, as well as some others with HEPA filters. When compared to other models in this price range, the Shark Rocket Pet stands out due to its combination of lightweight design, strong pet hair pickup, and easy versatility. Competing models like the Bissell PowerEdge Pet have a similar focus on pet hair, but the Shark offers the added benefit of converting to a handheld unit, which can be a game changer for above-floor cleaning. For the price, the Shark Rocket Pet offers a solid balance of performance and convenience. While it may not be the absolute best in terms of deep carpet cleaning or allergy-friendly features, it's an excellent choice for those with pets and smaller homes. If you need something light, versatile, and effective on multiple surfaces, this vacuum could be just what you're looking for. At its core, the Shark HV302 Rocket Pet is an ideal solution for anyone who needs a flexible, easy-to-use vacuum that can handle everything from floors to furniture. It excels in convenience, user-friendliness, and pet hair pickup, making it a great option for busy households or those with furry friends. While it's not a perfect fit for everyone, particularly allergy sufferers or those with larger spaces, its combination of performance and price puts it in a strong position for those who want versatility without breaking the bank.